So now we move on to Wook Kim from Samsung. Wook is a Director for Service Technology Standards and Enabling in Digital Media and Communications R&D Center. He's worked and has experience in major communications industry standards forum, including 3GPP, OMA, W3C, GSMA, and CCC. So welcome to Wook.
Security arm. Okay, thank you, Kevin. So Kevin requested to me to introduce the Samsung's commercial service. Actually, recently, Samsung we introduced two commercial service in messaging area. One is called ChatOn, and another one is Family Story. So this presentation will be somewhat different view. Compared to a previous slide. Previous slide is a point of view, operator, and the system vendor's view. So in this slide, I will explain what is the device vendor's view in messaging area. So there are many trends in messaging area. So I will point out what is one big trend in messaging area, and we analyze the messaging service market as a device vendor point of view, and what is a possible strategy in the device vendor view. And I will explain, as a Kevin requested, what is the Samsung's signature messaging service. It will be a ChatOn and Family Story. So I will include some video clips. So I hope you not be boring. Okay, the last one. Someone they mentioned we need to maybe sometimes we can compete with the OTT player, or we can develop a new concept beyond the current OTT service. So we believe integrated social experience will be one of the candidates, the possible approach in OMA and in GSMA in telecommunication side. Okay, there are many trends in messaging area. But one is a definite trend is that the people they are doing the more messaging and more social network always and everywhere. So as you can see in the figure, so they are using the messaging and social network on the subway, and also at home they are chatting with their friend when they watching a drama, movie, sometimes a sport. Even some people are they are texting on the car. So as you can see in the figure, some of the automotive company, they provide Facebook and Twitter in their head unit. So on the subway, maybe this is only a 5 years ago picture. On 5 years ago, people, most of people, they read a newspaper on the subway. But now, so as you can see, all people, they are looking at smartphone. So half of these people, they are using the messaging and smartphone. And one thing is in front of a TV, they're using chat, and also in the TV. So one more trend is that the people, they want to use the messaging and chat, messaging and social network with all possible the consumer electronic device. Only the smartphone and tablet is not only device supporting the messaging and social network. So you can use the PC and tablet. Sometimes the printer they are printing some social photo, and by using camera, in case of camera, people they can upload the photo directly to the social network sites, and the TV can be also play a role of the social network service. So the device vendor point of view, we analyze the messaging service. So what is our strength and what is the weakness and opportunity in threat? So yeah, definitely the strengths of the device point of view, we have many various consumer devices, and also we have experience in creating new device. But there are also weakness in device vendor point of view. We have little experience to service provider and operation and management. But there are many opportunity in messaging and social network area. So people they started to use multiple device. They bring the many device. So another thing is that rich media messaging is popular now. So there is increased demand for the new device supporting the rich media messaging. So another one is now the messaging is a basic function. So messaging function is integrated into a device platform itself. It means that the device vendor, we have many device, and also we have some platforms. So messaging function can be integrated into a device platform itself. This is one good opportunity. But in as earlier presenter, they already mentioned that there are many threats. So as your smartphone introduced maybe 5 years ago, so this kind of service is very easy to provide to the customer. So there are many OTT players in the market. And also in messaging and social network area, the customer login is another difficulty. So we need to consider how to overcome or how to we get the competency in this area. Also the OTT player, they provide their service free of charge. So this is another consideration. So how to overcome this cost factor. So we need to provide a cost-efficient way in providing the messaging and social network service. Now Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn, they enlarge their business into they providing the more service. For example, the voice chat and video messaging also. So based on this analyze, we summarize what is a possible strategy in messaging area in the device vendor point of view. So of course we have some strengths and weakness. So as a strength and opportunity point of view, so it is we can provide some family device and service incorporating the rich media and multiple screen support. This is one of the strengths. The weakness is that there is some risk. So, but we need to also provide our own service. So another thing, the threat is same to me, same to operator, and same to system and device vendor. So we need collaboration build up with the mobile network operator. So we are active and we are working together in the ICS and the VoLTE, and also QS providing is another consideration factor. Last thing is that when you consider weakness and threat, we need to create a new concept service beyond the current SNS. As I mentioned in earlier, so just not to compete with the OTT player, we need to provide a new concept service which they cannot provide to the market. So it is we need to consider this kind of service. So Samsung, we are doing now 3 ways. So the most of advantage is that we have many various devices. So on top of this benefit of many devices, we are doing first one. We are doing joint collaboration in Join and in GSMA VoLTE, and also the second approach is that we are providing our own signature service. One is a ChatOn. The second one, maybe this is not familiar to you. This is a family story, and the third one. So as I mentioned, we are trying to find what is a new concept, the messaging and social network service. So as the first approach, we are doing the collaboration in ICS. So as Antonella already mentioned, the ICS go-to-market, those momentum is growing now. So already over the 30 mobile network operator, they are interested in the ICS deployment, and over the 70 the handset and infrastructure application vendor, they are preparing for the ICS market. And also some country, there are multi-operator trial, and the example is France and Spain, Japan, and Korea. Maybe Korea, they will launch the ICS in in coming the third quarter this year. So we are collaborating with the mobile network operator and the system vendor in ICS area. So already ICS, I will not talk about the ICS picture, but so already since 2008, so Samsung, we are very active in ICS initiative and the GSMA ICS. So now we almost prepared, we are ready for market launch now. And also in here, in OMA, we also very active and driving the messaging standard. The example is that multimedia messaging service, instant messaging, and CAB and POG and CPM. So I will skip the ICS. And the second approach is that as a device vendor, there is some risk, but we need to compete with other OTT player and other device vendor. So we started to launch our own signature service. So ChatOn is the one. The objective of ChatOn is to connect all mobile phone with one messenger. So ChatOn support all mobile devices independent of their platform. So ChatOn, they support Android and even the iOS and the BlackBerry and Bada, and you can use a ChatOn on the feature phone and on the PC. Of course, everybody, you can download the ChatOn now, but I will not post. And also the ChatOn deliver every multimedia, so they deliver text, image, and video, voice messaging, and also ChatOn has there are some unique feature in the group chat. So in the next page, I will show some short video. What is a ChatOn? I hope display is not working. Okay, I will try. Next one. Okay, yeah, it is a security problem. They link. Okay, this shows what is ChatOn. So this video shows what is a picture of the ChatOn. So ChatOn is already started the service in 120 countries, and they support 62 languages. So we can say this is truly the global messaging service. This is a short video and maybe 1 minute. So they will show what is the picture. Group chat is also supported here. I need to make a volume. Okay. This is a trunk feature. So we introduced the trunk. This is similar to a network-based media box. Maybe CPM, they include this feature. So this network-based media box is included in ChatOn. This is one of the unique features. So we provide animation messaging service. So you can draw a picture, your fingertip. So this animation message is delivered to the other party. One of exciting the picture. Okay, yeah, this is a ChatOn. Yeah, already covered in the video, the ChatOn provide the similar feature with the other messaging service. So we can register very simply by using only a phone number. So as I mentioned, the ChatOn, they support all kind of mobile phone and include the PC. So when you use a ChatOn in the PC, you can use your email account. Of course, by using your phone number, the address book will be downloaded from network-based address book. So my network-based address book is similar to a CAP here. And the another basic feature is that they support multimedia. And other advanced feature is that the ChatOn support the animation messaging service. You saw this feature in the video. And ChatOn, they have a unique feature. It is called the trunk. So if you participate in the group chat, each group chat, they have their own media box. This media box is also network-based, so we call this one is a trunk. We launched this year the second messaging service. This is called Family Story. So the objective of Family Story is that to share the experience only with your family. So as you know, so many the messaging and social network service is too open to public, so everybody they can see my page and. But the Family Story, we tried to they share the experience only within their family. So the Family Story, they support all Samsung devices, including the Galaxy Tab and Smart TV and mobile phone. And as I said, the unique feature is that this is limited to a family, so we require some special authentication to access the Family Story. This is another thing is that this is similar to the other messaging and social network service. They store all the messaging, all the multimedia, and we can share the calendar and memo and with our family. The Family Story, what is the concept? Some of the house, they are using the refrigerator as a family board. So people, they post the picture and the memo and their schedule between the mother and the girl. So we take this concept to the Samsung Family Story. So people, they use the family board on the TV and mobile phone. This is the concept of the Family Story. Maybe next page is also a video clip, but video is not working here, so I will show. Yeah, this is a concept of the Family Story. Show the picture of the Family Story. Yeah, media go to from the mobile phone to a tablet and go to the TV. So you can share the photo with your family and even your grandmother. Yeah, photo and some memo and the calendar is integrated in one service. We can invite maybe a grandfather and grandparent. They can look at together this photo, and they give a comment, and we can do real-time communication with instant messaging. Okay. Yeah, these two services, ChatOn and Family Stories, are already launched in the market, so you can experience this kind of service. Okay. Yeah, what is the advanced feature? So already shown in the video, so we can invite a family member to, they are living in another house. By using the mobile phone number, we can invite the grandparent and also family, they can share the multimedia file by using the mobile phone and tablet and TV. So as I mentioned, the multiple device support is one of a core feature as a device point of view. So you can give also comment, and you can also the instant messaging between the family members. So someone give if someone give a comment and someone started to instant messaging, the notification will be come in your phone. This is a picture of a Family Story. Of course, the ChatOn and Family Story, we are evolving those features so that we reflect the feedback from the customer and users. Yeah, and third approach, the first one, we are collaborating with a mobile network operator. In second one, we started to provide our own messaging and social network service. Third one, so as I said, the earlier page, so we needed to create we need to prepare what is a future service in messaging and social network area. So this is one trend. The people they are enjoying the more reality content, more the 3D and more immersive content. Also, the broadcast company they provide content interaction, and the social network is very popular between the people. So this kind of features I think we need to integrate this kind of features: the realism, the content interaction, and the social interaction need to be integrated. So it is also required to provide a seamless experience over multiple screens. So in OMA, we proposed one new work item. It is called OMA ISC. ISC means the Immersive Social Center. It is introduced in the morning session. So this is one of the examples. So in the future, we need this. Okay. Here, this is a kind of a remote education. Maybe this kind of a scenario can be applied to maybe music concert and sports game. So you can share the sports game on the remote site, but you feel you are located in the same place with your friend. Okay, last page. So social messaging is already the life essential. So most of the consumer device, the social feature is a must feature. So we provide some signature service for the messaging. So we launched this year. And I want to emphasize, so together with we are providing our own service. Also, we are very active and collaborating in working together with the mobile network operator. So the Samsung has collaborated in ICS in 2008, and so we are ready for market launch now. And also here, so we need to create some new service ecosystem. Here, the network operator and system vendor, device vendor, the application vendor company, we are all collecting here, so we need to consider how to create new service ecosystem. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Wook. And I appreciate this presentation, which is really focusing on social messaging. You commented that the mobile device is at the heart of our lives, on the train, in the living room, and even in the car. You talked about the opportunities for device vendors, for example, creating their own service, which you've shown some of the services you've created, but also collaboration with others. You see it's important as well. And you've talked about the future service development on multiple screens and how we can collaborate together in the future. So thank you for that. We are overrunning a little bit. Sorry for that. Any very quick questions? If not, then thank you very much.
Thank you.